Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In a Django project that integrates with multiple multi-directional external APIs, efficiently managing external IDs is crucial. These IDs serve as a bridge between your application's database and the external APIs, allowing you to synchronize, update, and retrieve data seamlessly. This tutorial will guide you through best practices for handling external IDs in Django, along with code examples. When designing your Django database models, it's essential to consider the structure of the data provided by external APIs. Here are some best practices. Separate models. Create separate Django models for each external API entity you're working with. For example, if you're dealing with users and products, create separate models for both. Keep it simple. Only store essential data in your database, as external APIs may change. Avoid duplicating data that can be fetched from external sources. To interact with external APIs, use Django's HTTP libraries or packages like requests. Ensure that you encapsulate your API calls in service or utility classes to keep your code base clean and maintainable. The most important aspect of working with external APIs is managing external IDs. Here's a suggested approach. Create a mapping model. For each external API entity, create a Django model that stores the relationship between your database records and external IDs. This mapping model should have fields like external_ID, internal_ID, API_name, and any other relevant information. Unique external IDs. Ensure that external_ID is a unique field in your mapping model to avoid conflicts and data duplication. Store API names. The API_name field in the mapping model helps you differentiate between multiple external APIs. This is crucial for handling multi-directional data synchronization. External IDs can change, and your application should be able to handle these changes gracefully. Here's how to do it. Regularly sync IDs. Implement a scheduled task or background job to regularly sync external IDs with the external APIs. This task should update or create new records in the mapping model based on the API response. Handling changes. If an external ID changes, find and update the corresponding records in your database. You can use the external_ID and API_name fields in your mapping model to identify the record that needs updating. Let's create an example Django project that demonstrates these best practices. This example demonstrates how to create mapping models and efficiently handle external IDs for multiple multi-directional external APIs in Django. You can extend this structure to fit your specific project requirements. Remember to secure sensitive information, handle exceptions gracefully, and implement proper logging when working with external APIs. Regular testing and monitoring are essential to ensure the reliability of your integration. ChatGPT.